Okay, now we're going to take a look at exercise 12.1, number 13. For the past 25 years, Giorgio has contributed $2,000 to his RRSP at the beginning of every 6 months. So we're told, explicitly here, it's at the beginning. The plan earned 8% compounded annually for the first 11 years and 7% compounded semi-annually for the subsequent 14 years. What is the value of this of his RRSP today? So we would have done a question similar to this in a previous chapter, but from reading the question you should get, okay, well, it was the payments of $2,000 is at the beginning, so set your calculator to beginning. And actually, again, when you write down your solutions, write that on there. I always jot down beginning, right at a BGN or something, just a reminder. And then payment $2,000 every 6 months, so he's paying it twice a year, so P/Y is 2. And then it earns 8% compounded annually for the first 11 years. So we're going to use that amount, those values, to work out what would be the value at that point in time. Then we're going to switch it to 7% compounded semi-annually for the remaining 14 years and find out what the value is at the end. So at the beginning, it's going to be 8% is your interest per year. Compoundings per year is 1 because it's annual, and it's for 11 years and it's annual. So 11 years times 1 payment a year, your N is going to be 11. So beginning mode, 8 is your interest per year, 2 payments per year, but compounding is annual. The first 11 years, and I think I said that wrong, didn't I? Yes, 11 years, but the payment is twice a year. Compounding was annual. I was mixed up on that one. So the payment is twice a year. So 11 years paying twice a year. There was 22 payments. Always enter 0 here for your present value. The payment was $2,000 a month. So the value of that after the 11 years is going to be $70,551.25. Now we're going to use this value as our present value, because that money is still earning interest, but we're also making more payments of $2,000 a month. The interest rate for the second half has changed to 7%, so we need to change that. But according to the question here, first it was annual compounding, now it's semi-annual compounding at 7%. So it's payments, up here it was payments twice per year, compounding was once per year. Here they're both going to be twice per year because payments remain at twice per year. That hasn't changed, but now compounding is also twice per year. And it was for 14 years with payments twice a year, so there were 28 payments, so N is 28. And then we compute our future value again. So there was a question done like this in an earlier chapter where we had to use one interest rate to calculate payments up to a certain point in time, and then the interest changed, and we had to remember to take this value from the first portion and put it in as our present value to get our final amount. The only difference, again, is beginning mode. So that's, if you understood 10 and 11 and you were getting those correct, this is the exact same. It's just switching to beginning mode.